You guys, so I finally figured out where I'm going for my birthday this year, and I'm super excited about this place. I've been wanting to go here for a very long time, and I just haven't done it yet. So we're gonna make it happen this year. So this year I am going to celebrate my birthday with you guys, and I'm gonna do that by having a giveaway. But there's a catch. You have to guess where I am going on my trip for my birthday this year. It's only fair. And you have to guess accurately. So what you have to do is comment below in this video of where do you think I will be going this year for my birthday. Now, I will be giving hints on my Instagram. I will be giving hints along the way during my trip to help you guess a little bit easier of where I'm going for my vacation this year. But I will announce who the winner is on my Facebook on March 31st. Yes, I am celebrating my birthday all month long. Who gonna stop me? But yes, Facebook Live, March 31st, I will be letting the person know who won the giveaway. Now, what the giveaway is something from the place where I'm going. So I can't quite tell you yet, but it'll be special, trust me. Now I'm going to keep my subscribers in mind, and I'm going to also choose things that I like and I would like for myself, because I get a lot of people when I go on my vacations and they say, hey Carrie, bring me back something, and I say, well, why not? I'm going to bring back my subscribers something, and it'll be something special. So hopefully you like what I get and you guess right. That means you need to follow me on my Instagram, which is karefreekari, and you also need to follow me on my Facebook to know if you won or not at karefree.kari. So it's KAREFREE.KARI for both Instagram and Facebook. So when you know where I'm going, comment below and I will choose a random winner with the right answer, and I will let you guys know March 31st on Facebook who the winner is. So yay, I'm excited. How about you? I'm excited about my trip, and I'm excited about the giveaway. So share with your friends to give them a chance to win as well. But know that you have to be subscribed to this channel. And you also want to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload content about the giveaway and other things. You also need to follow me on Instagram and Facebook to get hints and to know if you won or not. And you need to comment below your answer. Where do you think I'm going? Where in the world is Carrie going? So I want you guys to follow along with me. So you need to watch me on Instagram, and I'll see you there. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it. Comment below where you think I'm going, and subscribe to this channel because you have to subscribe in order to win, okay? It's only fair. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.